This is Science Week 35 and it is day 3. This will be the last day of science this week, so you won't have any on Thursday. So if you get this done today, you'll be good for tomorrow. The learning target today is I can design a solution to an information transfer problem using wave patterns. So we're going to start off with our video. You might recognize that man right there, that little funny little guy, and watch the video about Morse code, just a review of that. And then you're going to look at this next slide, and it talks about in the movie Ponyo, the boy's father apologizes to him using Morse code. Sorry, I can't even speak. So you're going to look at this. You're going to look at your options over there at the side where it says that you have encoding the message, transmitting the message, and decoding. And you're going to move those to the different parts of the slide. You're going to move one here, you're going to move one here, and you're going to move one here. And you're going to say what's happening. Is the message being encoded? Is it being transmitted? Is it being decoded? And that's what you'll do there. The next page, you have this horrible thing. Your parents have taken your cell phone and you have to want to tell your friend. So you have two options. And one of those is you can shine a flashlight, and you're going to look at, again, over here, your advantages and disadvantages of sending the message through the window by Morse code. So in your advantages column, you'll go ahead and move 2 of those, and in your disadvantages, you'll move some over there. The next one, you sent this message. I want you to look at that message and see if that's the message you actually wanted to send. And you'll find out that this is what you thought you said, this is what your friend received. And you need to think, well, what are 2 possible reasons why your friend got the wrong message? So it gives you 4 options, and you'll move these check marks over into one of those boxes. And then the last page, again, is to watch the teacher video and check your answers.